How to sell Notion templates on Etsy. Hello and welcome to our channel. On this video, I'm going to show you how you can sell Notion templates on Etsy. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And to create an account on Notion in Etsy, you could also use my affiliate link below the description or earn a small commission at no additional cost to you. And by using the link, you may also get some discount or rewards upon sign up. But before that, if you don't know what is Etsy, it is an e-commerce platform that specializes in the sale of handmade, vintage, and craft supply items. And the company also offers a wide range of product categories including jewelry, bags, clothing, home decor, religious items, furniture, toys, art, digital products, and many more. And also Etsy provides a marketplace for independent artists, designers, and crafters to sell their unique creations directly to consumers. And the platform is known for its emphasis on supporting small businesses and promoting sustainability. And now to start creating an account on Etsy, just click the link in the description, or you could also click the sign in button on the top right corner. And after that, all you need to do from here is to register or sign in your account using your Google, Facebook, or Apple ID. And by clicking this register button, all you need to do is simply enter here your email address and even your password. And after signing in, you'll now be able to be directed on this page right here. And as you can see, I've now successfully signed in on this Etsy. And if you're going to the search bar and can enter Notion templates, it will show us a variety of Notion templates that is also selling by other seller of this platform. And below it will show the corresponding prices and also the number of people that has purchased by this kind of digital products. You will also see here the number of items and even the number of stars for each item that has been sold. For example, this kind of product in here, in which most people rate this 2.6k, or almost 2,600 people has been rated this kind of product. And if you click on it, we'll be directed on this page right here, in which it will show us a variety of options to buy it now or even to add to cart this kind of product. And it will show us on the left side panel some of the media files of these Notion templates. So basically, you can use this kind of information and also media files as your guide if you're going to sell on items of your Notion templates in here. And below here, it will show you also some of the review from other customers. And also these product details including the delivery, which is instant download, wherein it says here your files will be available to download once the payment is confirmed. So that's basically what will happen for the transaction if the customer tries to purchase our digital product or our template that we sell in here. And aside from this specific product, we could also go back on this page right here and see other products with the same kind of templates and use it as our guide in creating or selling our product in here. But before that, we first need to create our own Notion templates, so just go to your Notion.com account, in which it is a versatile productivity application that serves as all-in-one workspace for individuals and teams to organize their thoughts, manage projects, and collaborate effectively. And on the left side panel, you'll be able to see a variety of options that you can start navigating. And if you click here on this template section or button, it will show you a variety of templates that you can choose from in here. However, as you can see, some of these templates are offered for free, while some of them are need to be paid in order to use those templates. So from here, it will show you a variety of templates that you can choose from with different kind of functionality, like this National Park Tracker. You can visit all 63 US national parks, and by adding this to your private workspace, it will automatically duplicating all of the elements that contain on that template that is offered for free. However, it kind of takes time in order to duplicate and start customizing the template that we choose in here. But if you also want to start from scratch of creating your own templates on Notion, you can do that by simply going back on this page right here. By clicking the Get Started, or on this home page, just click this new page. So just simply enter here the title of this page. So for example, I'm going to create a template that is for creating a book. So at this point, just enter here the book title. And from here, you can simply enter slash, and it will show you a variety of blocks and elements that you could also add in here, including header, page, text, and many more. And by clicking this page, it will automatically show us in here that we can simply add here more pages. But at this point, I'm going to enter here chapter 1. Then below, we can simply add here other kind of elements that contain in a book. For example, a story, introduction, the character, and any other content that you want to enter under this chapter 1. You could also select to enter different kind of blocks, including bullet lists, a quote, and many more. And let's say you're now done creating your own template, just go back to this Etsy And to start selling, just go to the shop manager, and upon clicking on it on the top right corner, you will be directed in here, in which all you need to do is scroll down and click "Let's do this" button below. And upon clicking on it, just simply answer here all of their question, but you could also skip this part if you want to. And at this point, I'm going to select selling online and click the next button to proceed. And now upon starting your shop, you are also required to fill out all of this required information, including the shop preferences, to name your shop, stock your shop, and many more. So just enter here under shop preferences the language that you speak, your shop country, and even your shop currency here. Then proceed by clicking Save and Continue button to be directed in this Name Your Shop section. So just enter here the name of your shop, then click Save and Continue button below. And now under this is Stock Your Shop, just enter here Digital Files, and if you're the one made it, just click I did, and click a finished product or supply tool to make things. And just enter when what is made, so you can simply select a specific year in here, and how this digital content created. By selecting Created by Me, you can now proceed by clicking Add a Production Partner, but make sure that you also fill out all of the required information including this category. So for instance, I'm going to enter here Notion Templates, and just proceed by clicking Save and Continue button below to proceed. Then now, as you can see, just fill out all of this required information to add more details including the title of the templates that we are selling, which could include the keywords that buyers would use to search for this item. For instance, I'm going to enter here Aesthetic, Book Template, Notion. And now below, you also need to upload photos and videos about the template that you were selling. So you can simply go back to this Etsy and use some of this as your guide in order to upload some of your video files of your template that you are creating on Notion. But at this point, let's say I'm just going to upload a random files from my computer. But upon uploading, it will serve as your thumbnail. And aside from that, below, you also need to upload your digital files so that buyers can download these files as soon as they purchase or they send the payment. And from here under Price and Inventory, you can simply add here the price and also the quantity of your digital product that you are selling. And also from here, you can simply add here some other details, including the shipping, some category, the settings option, and many more. So basically, all you need to do is to simply fill out all of this required information in order to start selling on Etsy. And after that, we can now proceed by going to how you'll get paid or to set up your payment options or payment methods of your preferences. You can include also to link your PayPal, credit card or debit card, Payoneer, and many more. And also to share your billing info, and after that, your shop security in order to start selling on Etsy. But going back in here again, under these photos and video, you need to upload high quality and creative photos and videos that will encourage your customer on Etsy to buy your digital product template. And you could also use some other platform including this Canva that offer a free tool to start creating your own thumbnail on this application. Then just simply upload it in here, like this one that is also can be found on Etsy. But overall, that is just basically how you can sell Notion templates on Etsy. Thank you.